In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Gmail. Whether you're a seasoned user or a complete beginner, understanding how to harness Gmail's full potential is invaluable in today's digital age. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Gmail interface. This page is where you'll manage all your emails. It's straightforward, but if you're unfamiliar, don't worry. The center panel displays your inbox, and on the left, you have a sidebar with options like Compose, Inbox, Sent, and more. To send an email, look for the large red Compose button on the left-hand side, just below the Gmail logo. Clicking this button will open a new message window at the bottom right of your screen. It might pop out smaller than you'd expect, but it's packed with all the tools you need. In the To field, go ahead and type the recipient's email address. If you're sending to multiple people, separate each address with a comma or click on the CC or BCC options for carbon copy or blind carbon copy, respectively. Now, onto the subject line. This part is more critical than you might think, as it's the first thing recipients will see. Keep it concise and informative. Once you've nailed down a catchy subject, let's move to the main content of your email. Just click below the subject line, and you'll have room to write whatever message you want to convey. Remember, clarity is key here. If there's a lot to say, think about using paragraphs to break up the text. Gmail gives you rich text options to format your email, so if you need something bolded, italicized, or underlined, just highlight the text and use the toolbar at the bottom of the message window. This toolbar also lets you attach files, insert hyperlinks, and add emojis. Make sure to review your email once you've written it to ensure it's free from typos and that your attachments, if any, are correctly included. If you're satisfied with everything, locate the blue Send button at the bottom left of the Compose window. With one click, your email will be on its way. But say you're having second thoughts right after sending. Gmail has a nifty undo option that appears as a small box near the middle bottom of your screen for a few seconds after sending. Clicking Undo will retrieve the email and let you make necessary changes. And just like that, you've successfully sent an email using Gmail. Remember to take your time with it, and before you know it, sending emails will feel like second nature. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you find Gmail just as useful as I do.